You're about to learn 7 actionable tips that's going to make your Google ads suck less. Hi, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions. I'm the Google guru on YouTube, helping noobs who need boo-boos fixed with their advertising. You're going to get 7 actionable tips. Stick around for the 7th one because that one is the one I reckon is the best. How's that for clickbait, BuzzFeed? The difference between me and BuzzFeed though is that I actually think the last one is fantastic. You be the judge though. Comment below, let me know, and hit like and subscribe to this channel. All 7 actionable tips will have a deep dive video and you can find that in the description below. So first tip, fairly simple, pretty straightforward. Just make sure that your ad group's keyword is in your ad group's ad text. This will ensure that your click-through rate and the intention to buy is very high. And that in turn will help you improve your quality score, which will give you a lower cost per click. Next tip, use broad match modified keywords instead of broad match. The reason being is because it ensures that those search terms that are coming through and triggering your ads are hyper relevant to your ad text. Tip 3, if you're putting in a location targeting as a negative location, make sure you put it in as a negative keyword too. That way you're doubly covered. This is extremely important because if you don't have this in place and someone searches when they're outside of your targeted area, then they've wasted your money and you're not going to get a conversion. Tip 4, use extensions. Now I started my career in real estate, and as we all know, the golden rule of property is
location.
Always buy, never sell. But yes, location is the more well-known golden rule of real estate, and it's also relevant to the front page of Google. And what I mean by that is the more extensions you have on your Google ads means the more real estate you're going to take up on the front page of Google. The 6th tip is easy, and that's just using manual cost per click bidding strategies in order to test out the top 3 positions. Sometimes 2 and 3 are actually the better positions depending on your industry. So test them all out and see which one works for you. Before I get to the final tip and the best one in my opinion, let me know if you've got any business tips in the comments below. Hit like and of course subscribe to this channel. Right, this last tip is extremely important and it's going to save you time. Essentially, if you've ever seen any of my videos, you'll know just how important I think the search term report is. Well, it's extremely important, and the reason being is because it identifies where your conversions are coming from. I did an entire video on the search term report and its importance. You can find that in the link below. The beauty of this tip is its simplicity. All you need to do is schedule your search term report to arrive in your inbox every Monday morning. That way, instead of having to log into your account, navigate all the way to the search term report, and then identify if there is any negative keywords that you need to put in, it's all done before you get there and you can check it, and if you need to do something, you can jump in and do it, but if you don't, you've just saved yourself some time. Pro tip bonus, you can actually have a whole range of reports sent to your inbox and scheduled so that you can save yourself a massive amount of time. And you can do this even if an agency is controlling your account. This means that you can hold your agency accountable and also make sure that you're across everything even if they're only giving you really basic reports. I've been Sam Fields, you've been legendary. See you next week. To do so, make sure that you're subscribed, hit like and comment below.